Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a draft. Draft allows the user to create content without publishing it until it is ready. Let's add a new category first. Go to your admin panel. Click Categories. Add a new category. Enter the name. Flowers. Click Save. Now we go to make a draft. Click New Content. Title. Insert a page break. Press Enter. Press Enter. Click Images. Browse. Choose this one, Open. And then Insert. Right-click, Image. Width. Height. Images. Width. Same width. Cosmos. Images. Daisy. Insert. Same size. Save. Daisy. And then click Options. Advanced. Delete the date. Just leave it blank. And then click the green Publish button. It turns to a gray draft button. Click Save. Click Draft. You can see you have just made a draft now. Okay, that's all for now. In the next video, I will talk about how to edit a post and add a link. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.